Yes, student, we continue with the calculation of valency. Valency calculations of having valence electron 5 to 7. Clear, student? The formula is that here valency of equals to 8 minus valence electron. Okay, this is the formula for finding the valency of those elements which having the outermost orbital 5 or 6 or 7 electrons here. Okay, suppose chlorine 17 2 8 7 7 electrons present in outermost orbital. So the valency of chlorine is 8 minus 7. Okay, so it is minus 1. Its valency is minus 1. Okay, is it clear, student? And sulfur 16 2 8 6. So 8 minus 6 equals to minus 2. Okay, so its valency is minus 2. Clear, student? So here is this some examples of here. Okay, but here is not clear in your book. It is negative or positive. Clear? So here it is not clear to negative or positive. But according to your book, I am explaining this topic, and after explaining according to your this book, after explaining some extra topics. And 15p285. Okay, students. So here the 8 and valence electron is 5. So this is 3, but in minus. Okay, electrons, those elements which having the electrons of outermost orbitals 5 or 6 or 7 is negative, having the negative valency. Is it clear? So here this method is also reciprocal of this method. 7 minus 8 equals to minus 1, 6 minus 8 equals to minus 2, and 5 minus 8 equals to minus 3. Okay, is it clear, student? Because all valencies is in negative, but here it is not clear that the valence is negative or positive. But we are saying that, I am saying that, sorry, here the electrons 5 6, those elements which having the outermost orbitals having the 5 or 6 or 7 electrons, so its valency is in negative form. So here this is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3, and the simple method is 7 minus 8, so it is minus 1, 6 minus 8 it is minus 2, and 5 minus 8 it is minus 3. Okay, student, clear? So you have to practice the finding the valency today. Clear, student? But after this video I will send some question about related with this video, about this video, related with about all these videos. Okay, so you have to send answers of the questions during the chemistry period. Okay, student, take care. Good day. Thank you.